people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video we are hooking up a very beautiful and adorable crochet baby rompers designs ideas. Hope you like this video and different collection. So please watch this video till end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Get ready to create a comfortable and stylish garment for your little ones. So, in this video, we will be making a stylish and gorgeous look crochet baby rompers designs ideas. Perfect for any occasion, different occasion. These rompers is sure to impress. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add some pattern and texture. To shape the sleeves, we will use different techniques and different stitches. Experiment with different yarn, color and textures. Try using different stitches, pattern or romper styles. Add embellishments like button, applique work, flowers, beads, pearls, stones, different cartoon character shapes and different accessories you use and decor your crochet baby rompers designs ideas easily. From sweet and simple to intricate elegance, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an expert crocheter, these crochet baby rompers designs ideas perfect for you, for different occasions, for different parties. If you want more information about how to knit this design, how to buy these, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. The best part, you can wear these all the beautiful crochet baby jumpsuit and crochet rompers designs ideas with different anything pair with a beautiful shirt, hood and many different accessories you use and decor your look easily. We will show you how to create beautiful texture using yarn and different techniques, plus got tips on how to customize, how to create crochet beautiful the size, color and embellishment to fit your little one style and size. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize, how to create crochet beautiful baby rompers designs ideas. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.